Hey dude, most people think changing your life requires something big. A new plan, a perfect routine, a burst of motivation. But that's exactly why most people stay stuck. Because big changes feel exciting but they don't last. What actually changed my life? Small habits, so small they almost feel useless. Let me show you what I mean. Few years ago, I kept telling myself, tomorrow I start fresh, I wake up early, I productive, I fix everything. But tomorrow kept turning into week then month, then never. Not because I did not want to change, but because as I was trying to change everything at once, and that's where most people fail. Then one day I stopped chasing big goals and I tried something different. I focused on teeny habits, waking up just 10 minutes earlier. That's it. No crazy routine, no 5 a.m. challenge, just 10 minutes. And it felt easy. So I did again the next day and the next. Then I added another small habit. I stopped checking my phone right after waking up, just 5 minutes without it, and it first it feel uncomfortable. I was missing something, but slowly something changed. My mind felt quieter, less rushed, more in control. Then I added one more habit, writing down just one thing I needed to do that day, not a long to-do list, just once. And suddenly I started finishing things, not everything, but something. And that something started building confidence, because here's the truth no one's tell you. Confidence does not come from thinking, it's come from keeping small promises to yourself, and small habits make that possible. Most people fail because they rely on motivation, but motivation is unreliable. It's come and goes. Habit don't. Habits it stay even you when you don't feel like it. That's the difference. Don't need to transform your entire life overnight. You just need to win today, even if it is small, even if it is feels insignificant, because small habits don't stay small, they grow. That 10 minutes early wake up, it turn into a calm morning routine. Those 5 minutes without my phone turn into better focus throughout the day. That one task a day turn into consistency. And consistency is what actually changes your life, not intensity. Consistency, thinks about it. Scrolling for hours every day feels small in the moment, but over time it takes everything from you, your focus, your time, your energy. Now imagine flipping that. Just a few small habits done every single day, they start taking you in the opposite direction, slowly, quietly, but powerfully. So you feel stuck right now? Don't try to fix your whole life. Just pick one small habit, make it so easy you can't say no, and do it today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Because your life does not change when you decide to change, it's change when you prove it yourself, one small habit at a time. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe this channel for more update and self improvement videos.